Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we share with you a simple dietary remedy. Can help you stay fit and healthy. The first ingredient needed today is onion. Regular consumption of onions can boost immunity and improve cardiovascular health. The sulfur compounds and antioxidant substances in onions have anti-cancer properties that it has a certain degree of preventive and curative effect on colon cancer and stomach cancer. In our daily life, we can use food therapy to regulate the body. The second ingredient is lemon. Today we need to use lemon peel. Lemon peel contains lemon bitters and is rich in flavonoids, polyphenol, and phytochemicals. The bioflavonoids in it also have a strong antioxidant effect. It can scavenge free radicals in the body. Next, you need a cucumber. Natural healing requires a careful understanding of the effects of various ingredients. Cucumber is rich in vitamin C and natural antioxidants. It can hydrate and moisturize and slow down skin aging. Cucumber contains active ingredients such as leucosaponin, which it can lower blood sugar and prevent diabetes. We also need a piece of peeled ginger. Ginger contains a large amount of vitamin C, B6, niacin, calcium, iron, magnesium, and other nutrients that it has immune-enhancing effects. Curcumin in ginger can lower blood cholesterol and triacylglycerol and prevent cardiovascular diseases. Subscribe to the channel to keep getting more simple and effective natural remedies. Add 150 milliliters of water. As we get older, our bodies develop small problems. If not taken seriously, small problems can develop into big problems. So for your health, you must insist to see the end. Just take a few minutes of your time to watch this video carefully. What country are you watching my video in? Can you tell me in the comments section? Pour out the strained soup. Now you need to use the freshly peeled lemon. Juice extraction. Regular consumption of lemon can protect the elasticity of blood vessels. The vitamin C and citric acid in lemon can stimulate the production of collagen. It can maintain skin moisture and slow down skin aging. Next, add the right amount of honey. Always choose pure honey. The antioxidant substances in honey protect the cardiovascular system. Regular consumption of honey can improve the body's immune system and prevent many diseases. Drink 1 glass daily before meals. The most important thing about naturopathy is persistence. You can feel the change in your body in 7 days. Please consult your doctor before consumption and note all contraindications.